Let's go to Virtue Field, a very soggy Virtue Field. Regular season title on the line between the Catamounts and Seawolves, who entered a perfect 8-0 all-time in Burlington, but the Cats not phased. They come roaring out of the gate. Liam Reishman helps the Cats strike 3 times in the first 3 minutes of the game. And the goals keep coming in spurts, this time from David Klosterman, who scores not once, but twice. In just over a minute's time, it's 5-0 Catamounts. 10 minutes in, Stony Brook finally finds the back of the net. This nice individual effort from David Grippy. But UVM leads 6-1 after a huge first quarter. In the second, not as many fireworks, but nice ball movement leads to a Catamount strike here. Jonathan McConvey flings it in, and UVM takes a comfy 7-2 lead into the halftime break. In the third quarter, heavy fog invading Virtue Field. Check out that scene. Those poor lights don't stand a chance. Seawolves goalie doesn't stand a chance either. Ben French tallies his second of the game. Cats in front 9-7. But when the fog clears, the game tightens. Tom Dugan puts it home from the doorstep just like that. It's 9-9. The Catamount lead is gone. And when it rains, it pours. With 3:24 to go, Leighton Harrell puts the dagger home. The game's deciding score puts Stony Brook in front for good. A promising start ends in a bitter Catamount defeat, 10-9.
I thought we were confident going into the game, but not overconfident. We knew what was at stake, but we haven't really obsessed about that. Just focused on trying to beat Stony Brook, which is a tough team to beat, as we just saw. You know, we still have a lot to learn, and we have to go through some of these trials and tribulations if we want to become a championship caliber team, and we'll certainly have to take our lumps today and get better from it.
It does not get easier for the Catamounts next week. UVM will wrap up the regular season with a game against Penn, the number 5 team in the country.